Last month, Xiaomi unveiled the Xiaomi 17T and Xiaomi 17T Pro flagship phones for the global market. The company has been updating its T-series flagship around August or September every year. However, a new development suggests that the launch of the next generation models could be only around 6 months away. Xiaomi Time has spotted the Xiaomi 17T series in the IMEI database. Xiaomi could be planning to globally launch the Xiaomi 17T series in February 2026. The Xiaomi 17T and 17T Pro could be powered by the Dimensity 8500, upcoming, and Dimensity 9500 chipsets. These are also expected to be among the first global Xiaomi devices to arrive with HyperOS 3 on board. Xiaomi has just launched the Xiaomi 17, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max models in China. In the first half of 2026, the company is expected to announce the Xiaomi 17 Pro and 17 Ultra in China. Only the Xiaomi 17 and 17 Ultra are expected to debut globally next year. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.